Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi love, 11:02 on the clock and you are back with me. My name is DJ Lala Banderas para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Before we move on sa ating biyahe ngayong gabing ito, I just want to do a quick shout out. Personal po ito. Gusto ko lang po i-shoutout ang aking pamangkin na si Amara Elise Mempin ng happy birthday from Tita Yen. Happy birthday baby and hello po sa Rivas family and kay Kuya Norman and of course to my brother Marvin listening right now. So eto na nga, habang nandyan kayo, mag-away-away kayo sa magiging comment ninyo sa ating Byahe Sender of the Night. Okay? At syempre, hello din sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa ating Facebook Live sa Love Radio Manila. Yes, we are live sa Love Radio Manila. So, if you have comments sa ating Byahe Sender of the Night, if you wanna share your thoughts or your opinion sa kanyang storya, all you have to do is send it over sa comment section ng ating Facebook Live sa Love Radio Manila. So, let's head on sa ating biyahe for tonight. This one was sent to us over at our Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. Ito na po ang biyahe ni Chris. Good evening po, DJ Lala. Lagi po ako nakikinig sa inyo. Ngayon po, nakikinig po ako. Gusto ko lang po sana i-share ang pag-ibig ko. DJ, hirap na po ako sa sitwasyon ko ngayon sa jowa ko dahil mag 3 years na po kami. Pero tama po ba na gawin niya yung pakikipag-chat sa ex niya? At may iba siyang account na itinatago sa akin. Nalaman ko mismo sa chat, pakiramdam ko hindi siya masaya sa akin dahil paulit-ulit na lang po niya ginagawa sa akin. Lagi ko na lang po siya iniintindi kasi mahal na mahal ko siya. Pero napapagod na po ako sa kanya at ano po bang dapat kong gawin? Nahihirapan na po kasi ako. Siguro una mong dapat gawin, ayusin natin yung punctuation marks. Ang gulo eh. Hindi ko alam kung anong meaning ng period sa'yo eh. Grabe. Pero anyway, ipapush natin to. Kasi mahal na mahal ko naman siya eh. Pero dumadating na po ako sa punto ng buhay ko na napapagod na akong umintindi sa kanya at pakiramdam ko, mahal niya yung ex niya. Sana po mabasa nyo ito, itago nyo na lang po ako sa pangalang Chris. Huwag nyo na pong banggitin ang aking apelyido. Buti na lang hindi ko binanggit. Yung mga ganitong disclaimer, lagay nyo sa simula. Wag sa hulihan. Kasi mamaya mabasa ko ng buo to, huli na. O diba? Yung mga ganyan disclaimer, lagay nyo po yan sa unihan. Okay? Wag dun sa hulihan. Ayan, sabi dito, sana mabasa nyo po. Nakikinig ako ngayon. Umiiyak po ako dahil kahapon ko lang nalaman. Tinatanong ko sa sarili ko, saan ba ako nagkulang? Lahat naman sinusunod ko para lang sa kanya. Binura ko na po lahat ng mga pictures namin at dahil sa sobrang inis ko, ayan, naiiyak ako. DJ, sana basahin niyo po ito. Gusto kong malaman kung ano ang pwede kong gawin. 3 araw na po akong laging nagmumukmok, pati trabaho ko apektado na. Ayan. Well, first and foremost, hello Chris, hi sa'yo. I hope somehow you are feeling better. Sabi mo kasi 3 araw na eh. Syempre kahit papano humupa na yung hype ng emotions mo kasi it can only take an hour or 2 for an emotion to high to lie low. O diba? Para po bumaba yung hype ng emotions ninyo, count an hour or 2 para makapagpahinga, para huminga ng malalim, ganyan, mag-breathing exercise, makinig sa soothing music, para medyo bumaba yung emosyon natin. Well, let's go straight to the point, Chris. No? First, I am so sorry. I am so sorry that you have to experience something like this. I am so sorry that you love this person so much. And in return, ito yung nakukuha mo mula sa kanya. I'm so sorry that you have to witness 2 people na may possibility. Kasi wala pang confirmation eh. Hindi naman tayo pwede mag-jump into conclusion na it is what it is. O, diba? So, wala pang confirmation pero may possibility na they are still trying to connect with each other. And you feel like you are getting in the way or you feel like ikaw pa yung other party because of it. I'm so sorry that you have to experience that. But if you are gonna ask me kung anong gagawin mo, kung ako ang nasa sitwasyon mo, it's gonna be Simple. It's gonna be frank. I'm gonna break up. I'm gonna break up with a girl. Oo, Chris. Magbe-break kami dyan kung ako yung nasa sitwasyon mo. Kasi, Chris, ganito, no? Kapag ang tao nagkamali ng isang beses, maaaring slip up ang tawag doon. Maaaring aksidente. Maaaring hindi sinasadya. Pero ang isang kasalanan na paulit-ulit ginagawa, intentional na yan. Ibig sabihin, pinipili niya ng gawin yung kasalanan. Pinipili niya ng masaktan ka. Whether or not ginusto niyang saktan ka o hindi, it's not the question and it's not the case anymore. Pinipili niya yung gawain na alam niyang mahihirapan ka, alam niyang masasaktan ka, alam niya na hindi mo kinakaya or hindi mo kakayanin, and yet ginagawa pa rin niya. It's intentional. So, itong pain na nararamdaman mo, ergo, is some kind of unintentional pain. Maybe your girl is just keeping you because you are the safe one. Sa'yo walang sugal. Alam niya sa sarili niya that you love her. Alam niya sa sarili niya na she'll feel secure with you. Na you'll take care of her heart, you'll take care of her. Ikaw yung security blanket niya. You are the safe zone. At yung ginagawa niya dun sa isa ay sugal. And kapag things go south, gusto niya siguro yung feeling na meron pang isang taong sasalo sa kanya. Do not give her that option. Do not give her that liberty, that chance to hurt you even more. If I were you, Chris, basing kasi dun sa pagkaka-compose mo ng sulat mo and with the words that you are saying, it feels like hindi ikaw yung tipo ng tao na magiging firm eh. Ikaw yung tipo ng tao na, for the lack of better term, marupok. O, diba? Kumbaga may desisyon ngayon, pero kapag nag-beautiful eyes si girlfriend, kumapit sa braso mo, hinaghag ka, or tumulo yung luha sa kanya, you'll come running back. This time around, I want you to be firm. I want you to stand by yourself. I want you to protect yourself. I want you to be on your own side. Kasi love, if you really want to be happy, if you really want the pain to go away, you have to confront the issue. And the issue is clear. Your girl doesn't want to be exclusive with you. Hindi niya gustong maging exclusive with you. Kung meron siyang other account, if she is keeping chats from you na you shouldn't be reading in the first place and you shouldn't be feeling like kailangan mo yung tignan in the first place. And then, alam mo na sa sarili mo na may something wrong. Alam mo na sa sarili mo na ikaw mismo, yung relationship ninyo ay threatened. And you don't have to feel that way. So if I were you, give your girl an ultimatum. Sabihin mo sa kanya, I know that you enjoy both sides of the coin. You enjoy the feeling of being secured sa side ko, and you enjoy the feeling of the thrill, the fire, the spark, the reminiscing, the nostalgia from your ex. I know you enjoy both sides, pero it's about time that you pick a side. We are two consenting adults, and the key word being adult. We are no longer kids, and relationships, love is not a game that children play. And I am not playing around. I do not intend to play around. So kung paglalaroan mo lang ako, kung hindi ka pa sure sa nararamdaman mo, it's better that we split. It's better na palayain muna kita until you made up your mind na ako na ang gusto mo. But you cannot have us both. Kapag sinabi niyang hindi naman nagchat-chat lang naman, wala namang kaso doon sabihin mo sa kanya, still, you know it will hurt me. You know it will be painful for me and yet you're doing it. Ginagawa mo pa din kahit na alam mong masasaktan ako, kahit alam mong hindi ko yan gusto, ginagawa mo yan kasi yan yung gusto mo. Without even thinking kung ano yung mararamdaman ko. So you have to choose. It's either you continue on that road or you lose me. At kapag nangyari yun, my love, at hindi pa rin siya pumili, ikaw na ang pumili para sa kanya. Let her go. The fact that she won't even bother choosing you sa loob lamang ng split seconds ay proof enough na hindi na siya sure. na hindi na siya sigurado sa iyo at sa relationship ninyo. So do not make yourself look even more like a fool by being okay with that. Kasi if there's something worse than being cheated on, is allowing yourself to be cheated on. Naintindihan mo ko? Kung merong mas masama, mas lulupit pa sa feeling ng niloko, is yung alam mong niloloko ka, and yet hinahayaan mo pa. If ayaw mong tinatapak-tapakan ka, if ayaw mong niloloko ka, if ayaw mong pinipendeho ka, if ayaw mong kinakaliwa ka, then do not allow that person to do that to you. And the only way for you to achieve that is to cut your ties kapag alam mo na yung taong yun, niloloko ka na. Naintindihan mo ko, Chris? That won't guarantee na hindi ka naiiyak. That won't guarantee na you will no longer be in pain. Pero at least we are no longer prolonging the agony. At least kung iiyak ka, isang iyak ka na lang. At least kung masasaktan ka, at least alam mo nang yun na yung hangganan. Yun na yung sukdulan. Mas masakit kasi yung iisipin mo hanggang kailan ka magiging ganyan eh. Naintindihan mo ko, Chris? Tandaan mo, maloloko ka lang ng tao if you'll continue to allow them to do that to you. So put a stop to it right now or suffer the consequences of prolonging this pain. Naintindihan mo ko, Chris? I hope I was able to bring clarity to you. I hope na this time around, you'll be on your own side. I hope this time around, you'll choose yourself. I hope this time around, you'll choose your own happiness. Okay?